Bitcoin, will you be my Valentine?
Of course, I would love to be.
So in this video, I will talk about how I got introduced to Bitcoin and what made me fall in love with her in the first place. So just watch till the end because I am gonna do a detailed analysis since Bitcoin was invented in 2009 and I hope you will like it. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, make sure you do that. So today we have with me Bitcoin here. Hey Bitcoin, say hi.
Hi, everyone.
So let's start with how Bitcoin was invented. Hey B, you want to share the story?
No, P. I get very emotional while sharing my origin story. It's better if you go ahead.
No worries B, I got it. So in 2009, just after the financial crisis of 2008, it is said that an entity named Satoshi Nakamoto invented Bitcoin, but until till date, nobody knows who that is. Some say that it is a group of hackers, and others have the viewpoint that he was a genius mathematician from Japan. So there's that. But after Bitcoin was born, she had a value of basically zero. So now what happened after that? On July 17, 2010, her price jumped to 9 cents. Bitcoin's price rose again on 11th April 2011 from $1 to $29 within a matter of 3 months. Just imagine. A sharp recession in cryptocurrency markets followed after this bull run, which is very obvious. And Bitcoin bottomed out at $2 by November 2011. The following year, the price rose again from $4.85 on May 9 to $13.50 by August 15. 2012 proved to be a generally uneventful year for Bitcoin, but 2013 witnessed again gains of several magnitude. Now, she began the year trading at $13 and reached to $30 by 8th April in 2013. An equally rapid deceleration in her price followed, which brought her to $68 a few weeks later. B, what are you doing, man? In early October, Bitcoin was trading at $123. By December, she had spiked to $1,237 and fell to $687 within few weeks. B, you want to share why this happened? Why in 2014 you touched to $315 at the start and then rapidly declined throughout 3 years? Care to comment?
Sure. So basically, Mt. Gox exchange, which was one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world at that time, got hacked and a huge chunk of Bitcoin holdings was stolen, which affected the market sentiment, and I had to suffer a 3-year-long bear market.
Sure, Abhi, because we all know what happened after that. I met you in 2016 and you promised that we will always be together.
Yeah, I met you in 2016 and you promised me that you will always be there for me. Best time of my life.
And we tied the knot in 2016 and you were around $600, I guess? Right. And we made a lifetime commitment to never leave each other until death do us apart. Prices slowly climbed through 2016 and at the end of 2016 it reached the all-time highs of 2013 and broke through it, and throughout 2017 it continued the bull run, and by the end of December it went to $20,000. Wow, B, congrats. But what happened after that? Mainstream investors, governments, economists all took interest in Bitcoin and started developing their cryptocurrencies to compete with Bitcoin.
Ha! Compete with me? In their dreams.
Woo, looks like you are very confident of your capabilities, B. Anyways, Bitcoin's price moved sideways for the next 2 years with small bursts of activity. In 2020, the economy shut down due to COVID-19 crisis, but after the lockdown was lifted, Bitcoin back again. In 2020 December, it again broke through the $20,000 mark, which it had made in 2017. And throughout 2021, or I guess it was April 2021, yeah, April 2021, it made the all-time high of $63,000. But after that,
I'm sorry, but I have to barge in here. I hate China. They have a nasty habit of banning my operations once in every 4 years. And I don't know why, but people always fall for their tricks every freaking time. Same thing happened in mid-2021, and I had to revisit the lows of $29,000 before recovering to new highs of $69,000 in November.
Okay, looks like you had a quite eventful year in 2021, but after that, sentiments turned bearish, and as of now, B is trading around $42,000. But, so what we understand from the 12-year-long journey of Bitcoin? We can see that no matter how hard Bitcoin falls, how hard it gets hit, she always comes back and makes new all-time highs, and as per futuristic predictions go, we will see new highs again sooner or later. So, with all the institutions showing interest now, cryptocurrency market must have a bright future ahead.
What do you mean cryptocurrencies? Are you having an affair?
What? Not at all. You are my one and only true love. Why don't you get the door? I will be there in a bit. Saved by the bell. Okay, let me say this. Ethereum, it is far better than Bitcoin, and I love Ethereum more. But do not tell Bitcoin because you know, trouble in paradise.
It's for you.
Yeah, coming honey. If you want a video on Ethereum, let me know in the comments. So make sure you hit the like button if you have liked the video, and do not forget to share. I will meet you in the next video. Priyam Acharjee signing off. Baby coming.